Hello and welcome back. So, what are we doing today? Today we are going to be doing some programming, and we're going to be doing the Bootstrap grid, which is step 70, and free resources for our project, step 71, and maybe on step 72, as they don't seem to be too long, but we'll see how it goes and we'll figure it out. So let's just watch the first video and I'll get back to you afterwards. See you in a bit.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky.
Okay, so well, that was something. Basically, from our previous episode on what we've done with Bootstrap, we've taken everything out except the actual script for Bootstrap, so it knows how to access it and where to access it and all the above. And then separate to them, let's grab a bit of space, we have made our does that look right to you? I think that's how it goes. Anyway, beyond the point, we have made our own container. What is this? Well, as you can see, this is what it is. We have one of column, 3 columns, one of 3 columns, one of 3 columns. So this looks strange, doesn't it? This is because they're in their own rows, as you can see. But if I adjust the size, look, it changes. So there seems to be a variance between the length of the page, or the width of the page, and the size of the columns. So this is done through the Bootstrap grid system, and basically this is what we've copied and changed it a bit around, and then used our grid options to specify what size you want for which size of monitor. So if, let's say, that the monitor is smaller than or equal to 576 pixels, then the .col-sm- will come into play. But if the size increases above 576, then it will go to the medium one, and then if it exceeds the 768, then it will go above and going down as well. So basically we can classify which order we want to use respective to the width of the actual page. And then what we do specify it is that in the Bootstrap grid system it's broken up into 12 parts, and basically every block you can use, and there's a maximum of 12 of the blocks basically. So for instance, for a normal one, it's just going to be a normal size, and then if it's small, so it's below the small size, which is a 576 pixels, then it will look like this. So we have, oh, look at that. So we have 6 width for the first one, 2 for the second one, and 4 for the third one. And then the same thing comes into play with these two. So if the size increases, as you can see, there you go. The first one takes up all the rows or all the space, and the second two go right below it. So for instance, if I made this one 6 and this one 12, as this one wouldn't fit on the third one, wouldn't fit on the second row, it moves down, so it follows the order to it, I guess. Let's bring that back to the original size. And then lastly we have if it's large, so if it's greater than the described value, then I made it so each column takes up an entire page worth. So basically this is it, and this was, and I think still is, a good way of classifying where you want things to be and separating them in very good ways, even so that it's like responsive with everything. So obviously if the screen, the width shrinks, then obviously it'll be responsive and it will stay a good scale for you to be able to actually see the website properly. So anyway, that was it for this part. Now I will have a quick look at what's next. So what is next? Well, we have done the grids. There's this link which directs us to the website that we're going to build, and we're going to make our landing page. So this is basically it, and these are some helpful tips and resources for us to be able to use, which I think I'm going to leave alone for now, and I'm going to have a, so obviously, but that's basically done. I'm going to have a look at exercise startup landing page 1, I guess, and have a look at it. It's a 1-minute video, so I'll do that, and then I'll leave it at that for now, but we'll see how it goes. So let me watch the video and I'll be with you. Okay, so very quick video, just basically describing what we're going to be doing in the next sections, and obviously there's a lot, and also just for us to be able to get this file, which we will put in a lovely folder right there, and let's actually extract it and see what's inside. But this is basically what the video told us, and how we're quite good for getting this far and whatnot. So I mean, yeah, accomplishments, small steps at a time. So let's see, so this, it's not much that he's done, but obviously still something. And let's see, just by curiosity, if I put it here, yeah, so there's nothing on it yet, but we're gonna look into it. So I guess this is it for now. Next episode we're actually going to be working on the landing page, and that's going to be quite exciting. But we have made some progress, you know, gone back on track. So done the Bootstrap grids, looked at the resources, and prepared ourselves for what's next to come. So that should be exciting, and then yeah, there's still quite a bit for us to do, but it should be fun. So if you enjoyed, like, subscribe, all the above, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.